G'day Nature Mappers. This video is a crash course on how to use our collections tool. We will cover how to create a collection and the functions that a collection provides. All NatureMapr users can create a collection. They are a simple way to group sightings together for exports, community initiatives, school and research projects, photo competitions, species and place-based programs, or just for your favourite sightings. You can access your collections through the Profile drop-down menu. Public collections owned by other users can be accessed through the Community drop-down menu. On either page, you can create a collection using the Add Collection button. The collection I am creating is for sightings of ants. In the collection's description, you can include relevant information like what to look for when trying to find a specific species. At this stage, you must also decide whether you would like your collection to be private, meaning only you can add sightings to the collection and it cannot be viewed by other NatureMapr users. Collections also have customizable sighting attributes. Owners of collections can edit the attributes by clicking the Edit button and then the Attributes button. Attributes are for additional species-specific observations. Here I am adding the type of ant as an additional attribute. Note, collection-specific attributes will not appear in our Data Collector app. They can only be filled out via the website when uploading or editing a sighting. To add a sighting to a collection, click the star icon. Select the desired collection, and if you like, set a photo from this sighting as the cover photo of this collection. Collections have several features, including the ability to generate and export sightings in a CSV spreadsheet, which you can utilize by clicking the Export button. Collections are a great way to start engaging with the NatureMapr community. They are also a pathway for societies and community groups to have their citizen science data fed into state and territory government biodiversity repositories, and are a way of raising awareness of endangered species in your community. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more.